A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Mix Up Boss with another video. Guys, want to comment and like this video for me. Get me to 2,000 likes. Anyway, guys, let's do this. A guy reached out to me from America and he might share a story how him get him 10-year green card in America. So he might go share one nice story. I'm one of a Jamaican man them who they are firing when I listen to this. When I can learn a thing or two. And also, he want travel come back to Jamaica, but he say him have a DUI pan him name. So I wonder if it's safe because he want to go through immigration and problem and then now he's stuck at Jamaica so he can comment on the behalf of that. But listen to the story, very informative, and also spoke with his wife on the platform. So guys, I could listen to this, share this video, like it, and comment. I could drive, I could listen.
You know, put some canned pork soup with peas and stuff there.
Alright, so talk to me now. How kind of story you say I have to share?
A good story, man. I don't know bad story. It's a good story still. But you know, me like just to show you from the struggle, you know, we come from to where we reach, I know still, you know.
Alright, so start now. Come here, record now. So how you reach a friend?
2021.
About the you take? Alright, yeah.
No, man, I never bother me taking out. What did happen, you know, we did have a 10-year visa.
Mm-hmm.
Before me leave Jamaica, you know, one virgin where we did have up on a construction site. So one virgin tell me say we film virgin about links where if you come up we can go up on the farm.
Mm-hmm.
So we come up you know, and come leave after we reach a airport before them. Come reach a airport, them we have come up the same Saturday, but then when they come on JetBlue, we have to end up catch Delta. Because when the virgin tell me I'm going to link in the next virgin now. When I'm going to link the virgin at Clarendon, the virgin tell me, say, boy, I Saturday them go. I said, Saturday, I never sure if me okay, I make it Saturday, you know, coming in, but nothing together or nothing yet, you know, so. Anyway, yeah, besides, like, I still want to catch on the flight with them, you know, because I still can make a little opportunity, because I want to come work some money in the foreign, you know. So anyway, I check one place and check one of the travel agents, and they say, yeah, they can get me on a flight this Saturday. So, but anyway, we got New York with a land. But from which part, from New York to which part we are going at like 2.5 hour drive, you know. But I want vehicle and pick up all the week, because 7 hours we have come up. So 6 I come up on JetBlue, me alone I come up on Delta. So my flight when I come up on Delta is like, I in the morning, you know, I reach at the airport like 1 o'clock. So my virgin them never reach up until by right now they reach up, you know, until like 8 o'clock 9 night, you know. But me say me go on hang around till then come up. Then man never reach up until 12 o'clock in the night, JetBlue delay. So we come up still and the virgin pick we up and carry go up on the farm, go show which part we are going to work and things. But also they went prepare for we stay. When we take a stop, first we work and get paid. The virgin where we are stay with collect $100 head for every man for a week. So I say no man, then we not go make no money for so it go well man if you have to go pay the man $100 every week. The week say man I pay that for a week. Right. So we tell the boss say no, that can't work. So the boss say you have a place where we can stay. Go and start here, boss. So we realize when I say, boy, this not going to work out for me still, you know, because I just farm and live on and when you live on the farm, you never tap work. So I say, boy, I want to go in the town still, go see how in the town, you know, and I want to meet somebody, you know, so on the farm, and I'm going to meet nobody because I just feel like Mexican and them can't help them, I look help themselves. You know what I mean? So, yeah, no, me, coming to the town, congratulate me now, we meet one of my cousins, and he came meet some of his cousins, and think I show them, say, boy, on the farm, I live in a man, and I look so way in the town to live, you know. So when my cousin said to me, say, yo, you know, me I want a house where we can fix up our room, and when you come, they can stay there. I say, yeah. So, 2 virgin already says, all right, we are cut from the farm, then, you know, and go there for stay. So, me and the virgin cut from the farm and come there for stay, you know. And we did go until my cousin finally could work, give me a film vehicle to drive, because I drive film vehicle, you know, drive around and pick up some of my workers, the man thing, you know. And I go until, for my cousin now tell me, say, boy, you da come to, in a winter time, and always snow over fall now. So I say, boy, upstairs early, we not no heat out there, you know. And up to the cold, so we have to go find somewhere else kind of pay heater bill, so we have to go find somewhere else to go. So for me, brother now call me and said to me, so because I have a brother who live in Florida, but he have in papers and everything. The man said to me, say, yo, you can't get a good job down in Florida, so come to Florida, They go to Florida. Yo, I tell you, so down in Florida, that when I hardest place you find one somebody, man. I tell you. Like you, man, like most Jamaican, me too, yeah, man. When we depart from the day, like most Jamaican, Asian, and most of them the type of people down there. So anyway, down there till one day, me and my brother, go jump off him wife for work, So, me see, when I jump off him brother, wife for work, me see she that talk to big old fat woman, man. I tell you, say woman big and fat, So anyway, drive out, when me drive, them brother drive out on the panel road now. His wife called back, and call my brother and say, give me a phone. So, he give me a phone now. She asked to me, say, the girl where you see me I talk to, the girl saying lighting and him sing, and I look somebody, so I turn to her and say, boy, me not raise elephant, because that kind of my style. Yeah, man. But I'm saying, yo, you man big and fat, man. When you man slow on one side, I van lean, man.
Man say no raise elephant.
No, man, me tell you, no, man, me not raise no elephant, man. Me not raise no elephant, man. So, even when you listen to when I your story, and when them say, then say, some people not really married for love. I mean, I say, yo, sometimes I know really love, and I really say money, because sometimes when you're married to somebody, and somebody now make it, make no sense still, no matter what money she does work, me couldn't work with that. You understand? Mm-hmm. I just know my style. I mean, now I'm going to say, you're going to live in our house with a woman, or you're going to get married with a woman, and I know your style. It just now going to work. Mm-hmm. Just not go work.
Then there's something make all you would not want to turn up.
Oh yeah, so man, there's something make you don't nature or nothing, man. And you're always under pressure. You're under pressure from hard angles. You know what I mean? So anyway, people that back are going for me for the same thing, Say, if me have food, me want, if me have some money, I'm waste all money, because you have a license gun, Catch all an argument, you're fighting, I tell them, say, Virgin, I know my style, and no matter what you tell me, say, if I just know my style, I know my style. I we did talk to her next, we did one Virgin, and we link to Virgin. The Virgin say, yo, one warehouse, one warehouse of Pensacola. You can come jam with me, man, and go and run off the warehouse, man. I just left, man, and go Pensacola, And that's how I get a look for a job working at a warehouse, and we don't go and work till we hear about the next contract in Louisiana. We left this over Louisiana. There, Louisiana work. Then the same man we work with the contract when I was saying we are Minnesota. But to me, there one Virgin when they are Massachusetts, but that Virgin always a keeper and tell me, say, yo, my youth, we don't know where you left gone doing, because up here, so you know, up here, so your thing there, because up here, so you know, up here, so, we don't call it state again, man. Like when immigrant, like when really too trouble immigrants, Oh. I say, yeah, man, I choose still, but you still have to test the water to see what go on, you still have the hustling go on for you. And if you have to find somebody there, you understand?
All right, slow down now. Talk to me now. We don't want to go through too much of your details, basically. All right, so talk to me now. So the woman, your friend did a call to introduce her to. That was it with her. You never interested?
I never did with that. No, man, I never interested, man.
All right. So we move on from this now.
So we move on, man. We move on. So I go Minnesota,
Right.
Me find one girl up there. And me and the girl that go on with me, I look say, yes, things are going on for me and the girl. Then so me buy an engagement ring the girl. And the girl, after me buy engagement the girl, after me say me engaged to her, 2 weeks, me can't hear nothing from the woman,
What?
I mean, I say, okay. Yeah, man, I say, what kind of thing is that? I say, well, man, but it's a girl that's like in take all my ring and gone, man.
So somebody way and then did I sleep together and everything?
Yes, man. No, she don't live same place I live, you know. She live like a
No, man, I mean if you did that with her, you know, did that.
Yes, man. Yes, man. You know, I do a little thing, man.
So when you engage to her now, you buy one ring, how much you ring?
Buy one ring. I went like 390 I mean, the pay feet still.
Oh, how much you do after you get a ring?
You know what I say, girl, take a ring, can't go swap shop, was it? The guy not interested. He just go like him and look smart if he use. But he just play the game, play along, and then you know, say,
yeah,
you know, no straight. So, you know, he just play along with it. So I realize, you know, so after I do that, now, you know, the girl come back around and I ask him, say, oh, me I call you from how long? And he might tell me lie about him, you have a problem with his sister. And whatever lie about me, realize I like girl, I tell you, know. Me I say, you know, this girl not going to work out. So my virgin know, when we have a Minnesota, when we have a Massachusetts now, say to me, say, my youth, I that man, me tell a long time, so if you come back, a Massachusetts, you know. So me say, but, so me tell my virgin, say, boy, me that one, come back still, you know, but you want me, I know. Me have to show, so when me come back, me have a work, and me don't say this, me have a work, I run if you work. So I say to me, say, you know, so for your cousin, I want to work, after my cousin to Letitia, you know. So I say, you know, so for your cousin, I want to work. I say, I lie, I tell. He say, yeah, man. So he said, me for my cousin number now, and I call my cousin now. Because the man say, oh, you know how long me ask you, my youth, how long me work and I ask you. I say, I lie. The man say, yeah, man. I say, then, you know, say, me come up aside there right now. So he said, when you reach, I say, by Friday, I'm ready there, man. You can Google how much hour driving from there. Because 24 hours driving from there, you know. You come here, but come here, but come here, but I go GP, you know, so. So we let me talk to him the Monday, and he said, yes, me can come in if I come in, we get to, you know, see Wednesday morning, I push out, man, Wednesday morning, I push out, man, and drive, come here, man, I want to tell you, say, me left Japan youth and New York, and youth could come with me, but then Japan for you. And not in New York, Japan youth, Pennsylvania, me Japan youth. And when me Japan, man, from me alone, and the panel road, you know, come in. You know, so we make a Connecticut, you want to catch a fire. Yeah, man, when I look, man, the temperature gauge gone up, man, when I look, man, when I fly the body, a piece of smoke get up out of iPhone, man, but I don't know, like a God make even no catch a fire, man. And I want to tell you, so when I come in, and but me too, me I chat to the virgin, the same virgin I tell me to come to Massachusetts, you know, because me I talk to him for all the way coming still, you know, because he kind of help keep me up and sit that me not drop asleep and still, you know. So I want to tell you, so when I come here, when I catch a Minnesota, you know, same day when I come to Minnesota, before I come to Massachusetts, the virgin give me $20 and say, yo, go buy 1 6-pack of Jack and I could drink, man, for a long time. We have to look at come here. You know, so the same day when the brother give me the $20, I'm sending me a liquor store. So I go find my wife, daddy. See how I go, man. See like how I go, man, and see like how I come out of my vehicle and now we're going to the liquor store now. Me see one girl, you know, and I said to her, I said, you know, me like your nails. She said, thank you. Me say, and I also like you too, you know. She said, thank you. So me say, are you single? She said, yes. Me say, you know, me single too, and I look somebody too, so we can start from there. So me take her number. Yeah, man, and she give me, really make sure say number right, everything. So, you know, say, me never wait 2 minutes, you know, that me never wait till she reach home good, you know. I call her back and then I start talk and I ask her, say, what she do, and she tell me what she do and things. So, anyway, when she say I work, she go, so, she not can talk much, but we talk next day. Next day, I call her, no, she no answer. I say, but, like, I want to start, me really start, so. They call her for about 1 week, you know.
1 week?
About 1 week. Every day, and she not answer. I said, then, so I want to say for something, me tell her that.
Yeah, turn her off.
Turn her off, or what happened, turn her off. So anyway, call her, nah answer. Me just text her, say, if you don't want to answer me, you know, just let me know, you know.
You're persistent, man. Go on talk.
Yeah, man, we still no answer. So, anyway, one Sunday morning, I have a better sleep. So, when we wake up, I see one missed call from her. I said, wait, then she didn't really call me. So, call back, she answer. So she said to me, say, definitely today, still, she'll cook her daughter dinner and then we can have a link up. We say, along this Sunday evening that we come, the Sunday evening still not come. You know, no hear from her or nothing, you know. Still a call, I don't know. Because I said, then what kind of thing this is, man? I don't know what happened.
So why you call her so much time for?
Then but we still want to watch up to her, you know. They must say, no, man. They must say, me still a look. Me still a try find somebody that me still a try get the papers, the thing done, you know.
Right.
So you still have to, you know, can't give up. So anyway, you know, but it Thursday, you know, me say, boy, well, this is the last call, me will call her, because this time nobody no answer me, you know. Done the same, you know. It do get a chance. Me say, you know, like me I call her, you know, answer. She said to me, say, why you keep on calling me so many times?
Right.
If me know that is a turn off.
It's a turn off.
So me I say, but if you want something, you have to work for it still. Right? Yes. So anyway, you know, we talk till she said to me, say, we say, we are going to link up later, and she say yes. Me say, you're sure we are going to link up later? She say yes. Me say, me the door why? You tell me yes, you know, when time I call you, you're not answering. She says, no, definitely for sure she have an answer. She said to me, say, what are you getting for? Me said, 3 o'clock. She said, all right, call me 3 o'clock. I said, all right, somebody that wait still, you know. About 10 to 3, you know, me make sure about 10 to 3, me start calling, you know. So me call, she answer. She answer this time. Yes, she answer this time. So when she answer this time, see my coach, she answer to she said to me, say, you know, I want to store me there, try buy some parts to my car I make nice. She said, tell me anything, you know about, tell me something, you know about car. We say, depends, you know, because I can do little stuff on car, you know. She said to me, say, car belt, car I make nice, but she don't know about somebody tell her, say, it's a belt. So she have to buy one belt. So she said, where is? I tell her, and she pull up. Yo, when she pull up in her dada, me have to look on her good, you know. I don't know if she be mine, you know. Right now, she there, you know. I don't know if she's them. Right, yeah, man, she there, right, yeah, man. Right now, she there, listen to what go on. Yeah, man. So when she said to me, say, why you looking at me like that? I said, no, I still have to really look. Because from me, because from so long, you know, and I really see her foot, you know. So I still have to really look for you good if I really you that, you know.
Right.
Anyway, and the part so she buy when she did get where somebody did tell her say I want belt, I was in the belt. Somebody tell her say I want water pump. So we left go one store, go buy water pump and something and come back, put on the water pump. When put on the water pump, we realize say, no. When we put on the water pump, she did call when her cousin go pick her up. So then they said them go on the road and come back. And she leave the car with me now. But me and one of my virgin did go and fix the car. Then she called me and said to me, say, babes, you know, me I go I want food store. I go one Jamaican food store. Me want some jerk chicken or what. I say, oh, nothing. Can buy me some. Can buy some. Me never tell you buy me some. I say, yeah, man, you can buy some if you want. Yeah, man, and from here she said that, you know, me I said, but it sound good. You know? Me I said, it sound good. This not sound like you want to take my ring and run off with it, you know? Yeah, man, anyway, she buy food and come, man, and you know, we did the till. Me said to her, I said, what are you going home? She said, no, I'm not going tonight. I'm going to spend tonight with you. Me say, well, me say, yeah, man. So me said to myself, say, well, this sound good. So me said, so my virgin say, yo, why? So like your bingo. Yes, man. I was a fan this, man, and I start going, man, until right now. Although with life for us, we kind of have a little struggling, because you know how, man, kind of two little different culture, you know, so.
Oh, she's a black American?
Yeah, black American. So, you know,
yeah, culture clash.
Culture clash, man. So, yesterday, me turn to her, I say, you know, you can't, me say turn to her, I say, you know, you kind of have a little madish now, you know, do. My black American, mad, kind of madish. You want to look at me and say to me, say, if we don't marry you guys, that we don't love you guys. But so
after that, no, talk to me about so after another date, you decide to get married.
We decide to get married.
And she said yes and work with it, that's all.
Yeah, man, we decided to get married and we get married. But the only thing when it happen now, we get married now. See, like how we get married and now, and we go link one immigration law, you know. But immigration lawyer, when we go link, she that try carry me to, you know, because it's a Jamaican immigration lawyer. The woman tell me, say, she tell me, say, the paperwork, to do the paperwork itself was like 3,200. Like 2,000 for the paperwork, and she was 35. No, it was 3,200 for the paperwork, and she wanted like you know, like 2,000. She wanted like 35. And she wanted like she collect, she wanted like about 3,500. To do the paperwork. So I said, no. You guys want like over $5,000. Yeah, I said, yeah. So I said, no, man, this look like this woman carry me, man. This woman carry. So I think people tell her about you. But she said, no, man, that's too much money, man. You man never try to reach out for you before time, man. But right away now the work kind of cut, the work coming to do kind of cut down and now still. And I said, boy, I want to do this thing, you know, come I want to get over this thing, you know. You know, I never get to deal with it until my wife auntie now did say, my wife cousin now did say, cause she did marry to an African, you know, but she did do for her African paperwork. So she said to me, she will do a work permit for me. So she did the work permit, but when you do the work permit, and you send in the work permit, you're going to get back the receipt, say yes, then review it. But the woman, we there nearly a year, I wait for the paper to come back and he can't come back, you know. And my brother said to me, say, yo, get one lawyer, my youth. You have to get one lawyer if you know what going. And my brother don't promise if you get one lawyer. So I get one lawyer. I go up online and download. Look up one lawyer. I get one lawyer. And go see lawyer face to face. So when I go see her, you know, she look at me and tell me, say, listen, you see that the paper when you put in, when you hear about it, you know, about 2 years after when you hear about it, you know what happened? The paper when you put in, I put in like if we did out of the country. Like if she was filing for me out of the country, not in the country. So like me was in Jamaica. So that come to me and that still have to do back all over again. So from there now, she deal with it, you know, and like now I get Christmas gift in a man. I 2 days before Christmas, I get my green card, I get my 10 years, you know, man. Yeah, man. But one little thing happened to me after I get it. You know, after I get it, I want party do. And she like come and party. The police them pull me over. Lock me up for DUI, man. But yeah, what the thing happen now, because I have a court Friday coming up. But I did buy one ticket to go to Jamaica because I say, I and her daughter and her auntie, I plan to go to Jamaica in April. But yesterday now, my mother tell me now, say, she not sure if when I come to Jamaica, if them are going to land me back. So I don't want to know if, because I did say if anything, I go ask, when I go to court Friday, I go ask my lawyer now, if I ask the judge now, if when I come to Jamaica, if I go to Jamaica, if me can come back, if me can land back, and then won't take away the green card, or they will land me or what, you know.
So where you have now? Where you have now? You have green card?
Yeah, 10 years. You have a 10 year green card.
Year. And you're legally married to an American citizen.
Yeah.
And you still live with your wife. I don't think you have no problem.
Still live with her.
Of course. I don't think you have no problem, bro.
So, no, you have a DUI, but the case is not done yet, because I still have a court. It's a DUI, but here.
What name? DUI or DUI?
Yeah, DUI, Jim Kanjai.
Oh, okay.
So, I don't know, so we don't wonder upon your audience, you know, because you know, people know more than people, you understand?
Yeah, I mean, ask them.
Yeah, man, so I don't want to know if that will be a problem. Or what.
Still no want
to go in there when we come back in, man.
Yeah, you want to be on the safe side.
You want to be on the safe side. But, I say, man, you know, enough people have to come and go through it certain way first.
Everybody have a story, bro. Everybody have a story.
Yes, man. Yeah, no,
so your wife now, you're how old?
44.
And your wife how much?
37.
Oh, right.
38.
38, okay. So you are trying to get kids, so you did get kids before you left?
Yeah, we have 3 kids in Jamaica, because right now, we have plans to file for them, although they have they have something there right now. But we want to try put in the paperwork, see me still.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Nice.
Yeah,
How
because
much
she
kids
have
she
three
have?
kids. She have one.
She have one. Okay. Okay.
I got one daughter. We got big daughter still because she has 18. She has 18.
Okay.
But we have good relationship and everything, same man.
Yeah. So
Yeah, man.
you see, but one thing with her though, you persistently call her because you want something.
Yeah.
You want
Go
her
on
for two
something.
reasons.
Let's
No.
go on something, man.
Hold on,
Go on something,
you
man.
want
You
her
have
for
to
two
go off tight, man.
reasons. You want her for your woman and you want your papers. And that's the
I want my
truth.
papers. Yes.
And it look like you honestly tell her where you're depend and where you all look in a relationship.
Yeah. Yes, man. Then I want to say, I want to say in the first part, when she tell her people themselves.
Our people, they must be the fight against her.
Yeah, man, when she tell her people them say, boy, she come married to me, her people them tell her straight, say, no, say, a green card, me want to get my green card.
You're gone. And you're still
And
there.
I want to tell her, say, right now, most of the people them right now, me and them have good connection, they love me like they have their family right now,
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man, I mean, I'm close, man. I'm and mother close, man. We're close, man.
Yeah.
But while I just make her mother alone there, sometimes I play her, sometimes she all upstairs asleep, and her mother there play her game.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man. When I feel her cousin turn to one of her cousin, because she have one cousin, where the little thing, because to me usually do construction,
Mm-hmm.
So we can help myself, can do the construction. So sometimes and the little thing our cousin will call me and say, this happened to me house or that happened to me house.
Mm-hmm.
You can come fix this. When our cousin look at her and I say, yeah, my boyfriend live all long, I never call my boyfriend to come to me. Every time I that man that you call. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, treat me like a family, man. Treat me like a family, man. Good treatment, man. So,
For real.
but when I time of the year, they must say, there's these black, when I time that is one program and they might talk about black America, them this and that. And with that one, say, I know all of them, they have good, they have bad. You understand? Yeah, man. You can,
So,
say,
why for that, though?
Right, man. See the right here,
Then tell her to come for the phone, man. She can't.
Yeah, man. You can go say,
Tell her to say, hi, she'll go hear it later. So, she not for real.
Yeah, man. You go hear it later, man. You can't say, hi, man. Yeah, right there.
Hey, hello.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? How are you?
I'm gonna put on my American accent, my black American accent. Hold on. hey, what's up?
That's your American accent?
Yeah, that's my American accent. You know what I mean?
But you talk kind of clear. Like, my husband, he gets excited, and sometimes I can't understand him.
Yeah, you have to see with him. Him not learn the full.
Hold on, I don't put it. So she went them doing a storm, they catch her down in Jamaica.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's fine. They catch her down here. So how which side she did there?
She did a sentence.
Sentence. Okay.
Yeah, like I go Bob Marley, run Bob Marley inside.
Okay.
9 Mile run inside there.
Okay. So she have to chill out a little till everything ease up back.
Yeah, but she went up with my mother still, so she ain't kind of good,
Good. Okay. Oh, so she visit your family out there when she ready and one family link. Okay.
Yeah, mother come here and she ready too, so.
His mother came to the wedding.
Oh, nice. Your mother have a visa?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, wifey, let me talk to you a little now. Me not talk like your husband, so I speak broken English, okay? So you can understand bits and pieces. So, you're planning for him to take his other kids where you at?
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Trying to do that like soon, like in the next couple months.
Oh, so what's the purpose of that? Like you want to make them have a better future, school wise, or you just want to then get more opportunity, or what?
More, just like you said, a better opportunity. A better future.
So what's the relationship with you and them? Them love you and see eye to eye? You see any red flags?
Yeah, he got good kids.
They have manners, very, very mannersable.
They're cool. Because we was in the storm together. All of us was in the storm
together. Oh,
his kids was there too. He wasn't there. He was here, but I was there.
Okay. Well, I go up, everything work out. Because, sometimes when kids come over, it change relationship. Yeah, husband might have a good thing going on then now.
I heard that.
Yeah, kids broken. How old is the kids, by the way?
17, 15, and 7.
And 7. Oh, okay. Then that's not bad. Because the other one, them soon get big where them can start out.
Yeah, but I only met the older 2. I never met the younger one.
Okay, okay. I like the fact that as a father, he might look to make a better way for his kids. You know what I mean? Love that. So I hope when everything work out, although Trump put a blockage on the immigrant visa.
That's why we scared about him going to Jamaica.
Yeah, I'm going to put it to my audience and let them comment and tell me. Because I have immigration law.
But see, Trump put a stop to it, so if we put our paperwork in like the next month, it won't go through.
No,
he put a pause on it. I think it's a pause. He put a pause on it, so maybe, and through the whole thing we're going over here now, maybe then so attend back to that. So we have to just hope and hope say it's sooner than late. So that can pull through. But for your husband, I think he can.
Even though what?
No, I really see what happen if me do it. If me put in it, it will go slower. So, because if me do it, them have to do DNA and all of those things. But if she do it, them not have to do no DNA because.
That's how you go.
Yeah, because like adapt them,
Oh.
So they wouldn't need to do no DNA.
I never know you could have do so.
Yeah, man.
I think once you marry somebody and you go file, you put whosoever you want to be on the filing as the father or the mother. I never know say.
Yes, me have to put say I'm them father.
No, me never know say the wife who like she not the biological parent. Me never know say she could have also.
Yeah, because it's like an adapt them, see me.
I know.
So
that's what the lawyer said. The lawyer telling you that?
No, my brother did file for film. Yeah, my brother's wife did file for film, so another same thing. They never do no DNA or nothing because to the wife adapt them. If my brother do the filing now, it take longer because they have to do the blood test, which makes sure say a film kids.
So let me ask you something now as a man. So you don't think you don't want to go DNA route to make sure say all of your kids are biological years?
Yeah, but the thing is what the biggest one is 17 already, and I want to try getting me before I reach 18. Because if I reach 18, after 18, then I may have to do the filing and stuff, and it's gonna take longer.
But based on this immigrant visa pause, maybe the process that I forgot upon.
If you put in, when I talk to somebody and I say, if you put in before I reach 18. Once it's in the system before I reach 18.
No, man, I'm not talking about the 18. I'm talking about where Trump, the ban went up in the country, them including Jamaica.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if I'm go can ban it for 1 year. It can go for like 6 months.
That's how you go?
Yeah, it can go more than 1 year. Remember, it's just a temporary ban,
Oh, I don't know how you go.
So at certain times, it have to lift.
It have to lift. So it's about to lift and ban and use it back again.
Yeah, but once you lift it and have in the paperwork, so sending the paperwork already. Once you lift it, it's a very nice system. Okay. So even put back ban on it, you're already in there.
Okay.
So.
Well, you don't have father, kids them already, you love them. So if you want to go the route they do.
Yeah, man. You can't know, but you don't think they know what try. They know now.
True enough.
You don't like them there, see me, man. You understand what I mean?
I understand still. I give them opportunity. True enough, man, love the DNA fish proof, say.
Yes, I know, me get a part of it, although if you see them still, we know difference.
Yeah, what do you think? Do you think how you want to eat, man? When I tell you how to do you think,
Yeah, but still that more sure that we are the say yes.
That at least I problem, man.
But that's right, yeah, man.
Yeah, and I'm glad that your wife come down to Jamaica and blame you the family wish. That make a little difference, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Yeah, and you don't know, you can make your kids and come and change certain things in a place and mess up your thing you have going.
No, man.
Any idea they might get big and your wife did the said way. You know?
Yeah, man.
I just love everybody.
Yeah, because when I done a second time, so when them coming to biggest one, no still one, I know maybe the child send them in the army still.
Or something like that. Even that.
Yeah. Still, no.
And our daughter get along good?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Good that, you know.
It's all
We
grounded.
we have no one day we have look at difference.
Oh man, everybody, hold on, brother. Which friends and family now have them differences. Nobody now gonna just live and green them teeth every day. Eh? You must have disagreement, bro. But working out the disagreement, that's build a relationship stronger. But some people easy to give up whenever them have problem and certain problems. So you don't know how you go. But big up wifey and big up you and big up your family and hope everything work out.
Man.
The kids and thing and go on for wifey you treat her good, bro. Just go on do your thing because your sister nothing out there. And you work hard to get.
You know make no sense right now. You know make no sense. Me tell my virgin say right now. If me and I really very much up right now, me even sure if me want to take up our next man first part Jamaica. So right now, I know you know even sure if the next man we going to take up why you going to take up. So it make no sense in that right now.
Right.
Yeah, man. So I will just go on and try the best, you know.
All right. Well, now you're my fans dance about the part that we did say if you can travel with the DUI and hear what them say about it. And all right.
So yeah, man. So not this evening I go put it on the air.
This evening, man. Now evening when we finish up. It'll premiere tonight.
Yeah. So 7 o'clock. What? 7 o'clock?
8 o'clock my time. You're gonna see it, man. Once you come on, you'll see it. Whether you not have to catch it. You're not have to catch it. You not have to catch it said time. You can catch it after. And then you can look through comments them.
Yeah, normally pop up on my phone still when time it.
Okay, all right. So big up yourself, Anna, Daddy, and continue to do the thing. And big up White here.
Bless up, man.
Have a happy Sunday.
All right, same to you, man.
Yeah, man. Bye-bye.
Cool.
Yeah. So guys, comment below. As well, Mr. Moore, know if you can. What do you think? It's White Swing Travel or what do you think? Comment below, please. Very informative, very important. You might listen. And more asking guys, please like the video for me if you don't watch the video. It's important. Whether you don't watch it on the TV, just go on my channel and press the like button. If you want to reach out to me with that story, 876-277-3254. Alright, I'm out.